Welcome back to Auto Info Masterware. Innovation meets the open road. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping machines to ever hit the luxury travel market. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's built by a name that's synonymous with high performance. This is the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. You might think of Brabus and picture tuned AMG sedans or ultra-fast G-Wagons. But this is something entirely different. A luxury mansion on wheels, mixed with the muscle of a supercar and the brain of a smart home. So buckle up, because this isn't just a motorhome, it's a revolution on 6 wheels. Let's start with what you see first. The exterior. One glance, and it's immediately obvious this isn't your typical RV. Based on an extended Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, Brabus has completely transformed the body. The sleek matte black finish is enhanced with aggressive carbon fiber elements that include widened fenders, front splitters, rear diffusers, and a custom Brabus grille that lights up with LED accents. The 22-inch forged Brabus monoblock wheels are fitted with all-terrain tires that scream capability. And the full LED matrix lighting system, including dynamic turn signals and programmable ambient glow strips, gives it an ultra-futuristic presence. Even the side mirrors are sculpted like turbine blades. Everything is engineered for aesthetics and aerodynamics. A roof-mounted solar panel array blends seamlessly into the design, and retractable side steps fold out automatically when the doors open. Brabus didn't just build a mobile home, they built a mobile statement. Step inside, and things only get more impressive. As the automatic doors slide open with a soft hiss, you're welcomed into an environment that could rival a 5-star penthouse. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims. No surface has been left untouched. There's customizable LED ambient lighting running throughout the ceiling, floor, and cabinetry, allowing you to set the mood at the tap of a screen. The floor plan is unlike anything you've seen in the RV world. The front lounge area features 2 full-size massage chairs with heating, cooling, and memory functions, wrapped in diamond-stitched leather. A large old smart TV rises silently from the center console, connected to a full 7.1 surround sound system developed by Burmeister exclusively for Brabus. Moving further in. The kitchenette is a masterclass in modern design. You get a touch-sensitive induction cooktop, a dual-zone smart refrigerator, and even a Brabus engraved espresso machine. All cabinets are soft close, and the countertops are made of ultra-lightweight quartz composite. Opposite the kitchen, a smart dining area transforms into a work zone or a guest bed with the push of a button. Hidden storage compartments are tucked everywhere in the walls, under the floors, and even behind panels that double as artwork. The rear of the motor holds a master suite, and it's everything you'd expect from a brand like Brabus. A king-size bed with memory foam and cooling gel technology dominates the room, flanked by backlit panels and integrated control pads on either side. Overhead skylights are dimmable and come with electrochromic tinting that adjusts automatically. Based on sunlight, there's also a second retractable screen here, complete with access to the central control system, allowing you to manage climate, lighting, security, and entertainment from the comfort of your bed. Behind a seamless panel lies the ensuite bathroom, featuring a rainfall shower with ambient steam lighting, a smart toilet with voice commands, and heated marble floors. Yes, you heard that right, heated marble floors. Of course, none of this would matter if the Brabus Motorhome didn't perform, and oh, it performs. Under the hood lies a heavily modified 3.0-liter V6 biturbo diesel engine, now producing a jaw-dropping 400 horsepower and 710 newton-meters of torque, mated to a 9G-tronic automatic transmission and a custom all-wheel drive system. This machine doesn't just cruise, it conquers. Whether you're tackling steep mountain roads or cruising down the Autobahn, the Brabus suspension keeps everything smooth, adaptive, and shockingly quiet. It even comes with air suspension that can raise or lower the vehicle depending on terrain or parking needs. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 7.5 seconds, this isn't just fast for a motorhome, it's almost unreal. And thanks to its active exhaust system, it sounds as menacing as it looks when you want it to, or whisper quiet when you don't. Tech-wise, Brabus has left no box unchecked. The motorhome is controlled by a central AI system called Brabus IntelliDrive, which integrates navigation, entertainment, security, and diagnostics into one interface. Voice commands can control everything from the blinds to the AC. It's also 5G connected, with a rooftop satellite dish offering high-speed internet anywhere in the world. Security is handled by biometric locks, motion-sensing perimeter alarms, and a 360-degree camera system that feeds into both the cockpit and your smartphone. Driving this beast feels more like piloting a luxury yacht. The cockpit features a fully digital 15-inch display cluster with Brabus-specific animations and telemetry data. The steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and carbon fiber, and the seats are both sporty and regal. Even the pedals are custom machined aluminum. Every time you grip the wheel, you're reminded this is a Brabus through and through. Asterisk, now let's talk about price. If you're guessing it's expensive, you'd be right. The base model of the 2026 Brabus starts at $980,000. Yes, nearly $1 million. But considering the handcrafted build quality, the performance upgrades, and the insane level of luxury on board, it's not just transportation, it's a full luxury lifestyle investment. Optional packages can push the price over $1.2 million, including add-ons like a deployable rear deck, solar-powered off-grid package, and even an onboard drone garage with automated launch platform. Asterisk, so who is this for? It's for the high-net-worth individual who refuses to compromise. Someone who wants to travel the world without giving up luxury, power, or prestige. It's for the kind of person who doesn't want a motorhome that feels like a compromise, but one that elevates every aspect of their lifestyle. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or just want the most badass vehicle at the Monaco Grand Prix paddock, this is it. Asterisk, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome isn't just a category disruptor, it's a category creator. It's fast, it's smart, it's luxurious, and it's unapologetically Brabus. A perfect blend of adventure and extravagance, power and poise. If this is the future of travel, we're all in. Asterisk, thanks for riding along with us on Auto Info, Master. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you never miss the wildest rides redefining the road. Until next time, drive bold, live free. Asterisk.